Are you a car enthusiast or a professional mechanic? Do you want to diagnose and repair your vehicle's problems with ease and efficiency? Look no further than the MUCAR CS4 car diagnostic tool. Hey there, car enthusiasts and DIY mechanics. Welcome back to our channel, WeeklyTools, where we break down the latest tools to keep your vehicle in top shape. In today's video, we'll be diving into the MUCAR CS4 car diagnostic tool, a powerful, budget-friendly OBD2 scanner packed with features. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a car owner who wants to save money on diagnostics, this tool might be just what you need. So stick around to find out more. Let's start with the unboxing. When you purchase the MUCAR CS4, here's what you get. The MUCAR CS4 Scanner, a sturdy handheld device. User manual, helpful for first-time users. USB cable for updates and data transfer. Protective carrying case, great for storage and travel. This device is compact but feels durable and well-built. The buttons are responsive, and it has a clear color screen, which is important when reading complex data. Plus, the interface is user-friendly, and more on that later. Now let's jump into what makes the MUCAR CS4 stand out. It's not just your average OBD2 scanner. Here are some of the key features you'll get with this tool. Full OBD2 functionality. Reads and clears trouble codes, DTCs. Accesses and shows live data and freeze-frame data. Displays VIN, vehicle identification number, and readiness status. Emission readiness test and oxygen sensor testing. 4 system diagnostics. The CS4 covers engine, transmission, ABS, and SRS airbag systems. This is crucial if you need more than just engine diagnostics and want to dive deeper into vehicle issues. Advanced functions, oil reset. If you've changed your oil, you can reset the oil light without visiting a mechanic. EPB, electronic parking brake, reset. For resetting tire pressure monitoring systems after maintenance. Live data stream. Watch real-time data from various sensors, making it easier to diagnose performance issues on the spot. Vehicle Compatibility. Works with most OBD2 vehicles, including those that are 1996 and newer, both domestic and imported. It supports over 10,000 vehicle models, including brands like Toyota, Ford, BMW, Audi, Honda, and more. Let's walk through how to use the MUCAR CS4 step by step. Connect to the OBD2 port. Start by plugging the scanner into the OBD2 port of your car. This port is usually found beneath the dashboard. Power up and select your vehicle. The MUCAR CS4 powers up immediately when plugged in. You'll see a simple menu. Select your vehicle manufacturer and let the scanner read your vehicle's system. Diagnose the issue. Navigate to Diagnostic on the menu, and you'll be able to read any codes that the car's computer has logged. You can save or clear codes based on your preferences. Access specific systems. To dive deeper, go into specific systems like ABS, SRS, or transmission, and retrieve data or reset error messages directly related to those systems. Use additional functions. The tool can also perform resets such as oil changes, brake system repairs, and SAS calibrations using the intuitive menu. Not one of the great things about the MUCAR CS4 is that it stays up to date. You can easily update the device via the included USB cable and the MUCAR website or app. Regular updates ensure that the scanner stays compatible with newer vehicle models and has the latest software improvements. Thanks for watching our in-depth review of the MUCAR CS4. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to WeeklyTools for more reviews and tips on the best tools for your garage. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.